first of all, being aware, being mindful that you're feeling that tickle in your throat. Now, first of all, before you even get to that point, if you are feeling a tickle in your throat, if you are dehydrated, and Katie and I both agree on this, water is your best friend. Clear, clean. You want to avoid caffeine, dairy, anything that dehydrates the vocal cords, smoke, vape pens, certain medications. None of that stuff is good for your voice. And if you are having a tickle you don't usually have, or if you've been sick, I know we've had a lot of illness going around right now, you want to avoid from having to cough in the first place. So staying hydrated, throat lozenges, all kinds of great things on the market, non medication, all natural, soothing coating type for the throat.